Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to adjust this project. To change some colors, open configuration folder and go to the color control composition. This you can see color control preset. Select a color box and click Fill on the tool palette. Now we can change this color. Okay, let's change this yellow one. And maybe this blue one. That's it. Now I will show you how to change this text. Open Edit Text Here folder and double click on this composition. Now, if you can't see this text, just press Toggle Transparency Grid button off. Here we are. To change this text, you must double click on this layer and type. Let's change company name text. This is text 3 composition. Type your text, double click and type. Now, as you can see, this line's too big for this text. We must change scale. Just drag to the left. And here we are. Now let's add some media in this placeholder. To do that, open placeholders folder and double click on placeholder first. Now we must import some media. Just drag your image or video here and then drag it here. Now we must scale it down. To do that, select this layer, press SK on your keyboard and drag it to the left. Here we go.